Item 43 refers to the following pie chart, which shows the popular game played by 720 students. How many students played cricket? Let's zoom in or get a closer look at the pie chart here. Alright, we want to know how many students played cricket. There are a total of 720 students. Alright? Now, the total angle in the circle is 360 degrees. Now, here, 720 students. Remember, the proportion or the ratio of the angle in each sector to the total angle is the same as the ratio of the number of students in that sector to the total number of students. For example, here, football, you can see it's a 90 degree. Right? They didn't put the 90, but because the square here, the little box, represents 90. It's a right angle. So, 90 divided by 360. That's a quarter of it. Quarter of the circle is equivalent to quarter of the number of students. Football, number of students over 720. Alright? So you see that? So this is a quarter is equal to number in football over 720. Let me just put NF in bracket, number in football. So the number in football is really a quarter of 720. See that? The 90 degrees is a quarter of the angle in the circle, a quarter of the total angle, which is in for football. So the number that play football is a quarter of the total number of students. Alright, so a quarter of the number of students is what we have. So you get that. Now what we can do here is find how many are the angle for cricket and treat it the same way. What's the angle for the number of students who play cricket? Well, we know that the 90 degrees plus the 30 degrees, which is this, plus the 36 degrees, which is this, right? Plus, call it the C degrees, which is this, all add up to 360 degrees. Alright? So, 90 plus 30, that's what? 90, 100, 10, 20, that's 120 plus 36, 20, 30, 40, 50, so that's 156. I added the 90 and the 30 and the 36. So 156 degrees plus C degrees, whatever it is, all add up to 360. So C degrees is 360 minus 156. Now we can subtract to find number in cricket. Alright? 0 minus 6, you can't borrow 1 from 6, we leave 5, 10, this is 10, 4. 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. This is 204 degrees. Let me rewrite that. 204 degrees. 204 degrees. It's in cricket. Then we consider here 204 degrees divided by the total 360 degrees is equal to, call it X number in cricket, or let's not use X, NC in bracket, number in cricket, whatever that is, over total number of students, 720. It was 720, right? Yeah. So we use that and work it out. See that? Same principle. So when we transpose and so on and so forth and multiply, we have 204 over 360 by 720. Alright? Then we consider here. So remember, again, we make sure cricket, this is 90, 30, 36. We want the angle for those in cricket. So we add up 90 and 30. 90 and 30 is 120. 120 plus 36 is going to be 156. We add those up. 156 plus the cricket angle add up to 360. And when we want to find the cricket angle, which is 360 minus 156, we have 10 minus 6 is 4, 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2. Alright? So 204 degrees over 360 degrees total is number in cricket over 720 total. Alright? Now, here we have 360 into 361. 360 into 720 is what? 2. So the number in cricket is 2 by 204. 204 by 2. So we have 2 4s 8, 2 0 0, 2 2s 4. We have 408. How many students played cricket? Now, here, this seems as if there was some mistake that they made here, right? Because I don't see the 408 on this. It should be a lot more than that. Now, another thing we could consider is working out each of the other angles. Let's not erase anything, because there obviously was an error here. The number in football is 90 over 360 times 720. They put 720, good, played by 720 students. And then this is a quarter of 720. 720 over 4 be 4 into 7 one time, leaving 3. 4 into 32 is 8. 400. Alright? That's 180 students. Then for the 30 over 360 times 720 would be 360 into 360, 1, 3 into 6, 360 into 720, 2, 360 students. Then 36 over 360 times 720 students. So here now, you could say 360 into 361, 360 into 720 is going to be 2. 2 by 36 is going to be 72 students. If you add up the 180, the 60 and the 72, you get 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 and 7, 21. Bring down the 1, carry 2. 2 and 1, 3. 3, 12. And then, if you say 360 minus 312, you should get the number in cricket. Borrow 1 from 6, you get 5. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 1 is 4. I see. When we add them up, oh, it's not 360 we should subtract from. 312 is 720. My, why did I use 360? 720 minus 312. Right. Borrow 1 from 2, we get 1. 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4. And we get 408 again. So, question for the 3. There was obviously an error here that they've made. They didn't look over that question well. Alright? So that's what happened here.